When her foot is on the ground, there is really no angle between the lower leg and heel, so the angle is then between 0 and 10 degrees. You can see that on the right foot there's a little more pronation as compared to the left. Notice that there is no air time and the angle of flexion at the knee is small. While walking at 3 miles per hour with no shoes, her toes, knees, and hips are all in line. When she is wearing shoes, we can see that there is a bit of pronation on the left foot. As the leg comes up, knee flexion occurs and the angle is small, even though it is maximum flexion while walking. The placement of the foot contact is mid-stance relative to the body's midline. Also, notice the slight valgus within the knee while wearing shoes. Looking at the angle between her heel and her lower leg, there is a bit of pronation on both sides while running without shoes. As you can see, knee flexion is almost at 90 degrees and is way larger compared to max flexion while walking. You can also notice that there is more of a midfoot strike pattern. Notice that there is slight valgus within the knee while running without shoes at 6 miles per hour. Notice the pronation on the left foot as it plants on the ground. We can see here that there is a greater angle of flexion at the knee while running at 6 miles per hour. The amount of valgus seen in the knee is similar to the previous videos. However, we also notice that there is a wider stance while running faster. Notice the change in max knee flexion. It is now 90 degrees while running at the speed of 6.5 miles per hour. While going only 0.5 miles faster, the angle of max knee flexion stays about the same as the previous video. As you can see, max knee flexion is increasing slightly while running at a fast speed of 7.5 miles per hour. At an incline of 2%, you can see that her toes, knees, and hips are pretty well in line. At an incline of 6%, you can see that the valgus at the knee stays about the same, but the toes do come out a bit on the swinging leg, specifically her right foot more than her left foot. At an incline of 10%, we still see a little valgus in the knee.